In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate tasks in ClickUp. So if you want to go ahead and add automations on your ClickUp, maybe you want to automatically add particular or specific clients or even specific users to particular tasks, you can do this and many others. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, all you need to do is to go to your workspace or project that you wish to automate and then click on it. For instance, I have here this workspace, and under this workspace, I'd like to add some automation on project 1. To do so, go ahead and click on it and then head up here to this bolt sign, and you can see this is automations option. If you click on it, we have quite a number of fields that we can automate, such as task category, action item, task sentiments, summary, and progress update. You can also automate assign owner on status change. You can automate auto assign or even auto watch, just to name but a few. So for instance, if you want to automate auto assign and click on it, then you will see a list of all the users that are available, and you can choose any that you want. Now, this means that any task that you create will automatically be assigned to those that you chose to be automatically assigned. You can also automatically auto-assign a category on tasks that you create under this project. And if you go ahead and toggle this on, now you can see we have quite a number of options under task category that you can choose from. You can also go ahead and create your own task category. So that's how you can automate tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.